So we're gonna be changing out the volume buttons and the AC buttons right here with some new aluminum ones we got in the mail. Instructions basically just said to take off the stock ones and just throw these on. This is how they look like. They're made of aluminum. It has like a little grippy finish to it. You just basically just throw them on and we'll see how it looks like. Wow, that was easier than I expected. I did not know they came off so easy. Yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and pull all these off. Put these here, and then just slap on the new ones, I guess. This is how they came out. Really simple install, just as a nice touch to the interior. Snap the old ones off and you just pop these ones on basically, and I think they look a lot better and they feel much better than the rubber ones that come on the car. It's a little addition to the interior that I wanted to add. It really just adds a nice touch. I think it looks a lot better. And probably gonna do this install on a different day, but it's going to be in the same video. We're going to be installing the new airbag cover for the G37. It's gonna match with this, so this will be purple stitching with a carbon fiber logo that will be purple and black leather all around. You guys will see that in the next clip.
Tomorrow.
Ended up having to go to AutoZone real quick to get a Torx bit set. I needed the T30 or the T25 Torx bit. To fit in this thing right here needs a special bit. So we got those bits right here. We're going to be using this and then we're going to be swiveling it off. I got the left side out, now I'm working on this right side right here. Slowly but surely I will get it out. The other one fell behind the airbag, so we gotta take this one out. I don't know why, but the left side was way easier to do, way faster. And I've been wrenching at this for like 5 minutes now and my hand hurts, and I don't know why this bolt isn't coming off.
Day 2.
This bolt actually stripped on me, and it is now day 2 of trying to get it out. I have a bunch of tools right here that I've been using. I got this bolt extractor that I've been using, but it won't bite onto it at all, so I've tried that for like 2 hours last night, and what I ended up doing was I used a screwdriver and I went in here and I kind of like wedged it out, kind of forcefully, kind of damaged this right here, but as you guys can see, the screw finally fell. That screw is done, will not work anymore, but I did get some new bolts from Infinity. So right now I'm going to be taking off the airbag cover and putting on the new one. Moral of the story is, make sure to come at it at a straight angle when you're loosening it. I did that with the left side, it came out fine. I was impatient with the right side and it ended up stripping on me and caused more of a hassle than it really needed to be, so yeah. But anyways, finally got out the bolt and now we're gonna take off the airbag cover. So now that we have the bolts off, guys, we are gonna take the airbag cover off with the airbag. And I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see at this angle, but to take this off, these clips off, just basically pry at the ends right here. Yeah, so just take them off like so, kind of wiggle it around. So now the airbag is off. I will just set that down right over here. And then we did have some bolts somewhere in here. Try and get those out. Here's the airbag. And then now we are going to put this airbag into the new cover, which is right here. See, I put one side in, but now the other side's not flush. That's what I didn't want to happen. Okay.
Eventually.
Make sure you pop it in flush, and it should be fine. Won't come out or anything. And yeah, after this, all that's left to do is put the new cover with the airbag on. Just basically follow the color codes, orange to orange, yellow to yellow. And yeah, so basically just plug these in. Make sure the clips are plugged in. And then after this, you just line up the airbag cover. Then you grab the 2 bolts that fell behind when you removed them from the sides right here. In my case, I just bought 2 new ones just to be safe. And you wrench them on with a torque bit like this. And after that, you should be good to go. Just connect the battery. So guys, just to show you a difference on the bolts, this one was the left one that came out with ease, and the one on the right is the one I've been trying to work with to get out for about a day now. Look how mangled and stripped it is compared to the one on the left. The difference is day and night, guys. Just be patient. Don't do what I did. Trust me, just take your time and you won't have to deal with this issue. Hey guys, just connect your battery, put the battery cover back on. That should pretty much be the end of the install. Again, be patient. Don't be like me and strip your bolts. Took way longer than needed. But now that we got everything done, it came out pretty clean.